Hola, clase. Well, now let's take a look at a group of verbs whose yo form is irregular in the present tense. This is all about the present. The yo form, irregulars in the present tense. It's real important to make sure you know these. Well, let's take a look at three verbs that you should know already. I think you already know tener, venir. In the present tense, all of its forms. Remember, the yo form is a go-go, right? Tango, bengo, but also the verb decir. If you do not remember how to form decir in the present tense, here it is right here. It's digo, dices, with a C now. That's a C. Dice, I'll see if I can write this better. There, that's a C right there. And then we have decimos, like that. Decis, that's a C. And dicen. Please remember this verb. We also have four common expressions with the verb decir. Here they are. Decir la verdad, to tell the truth. Decir mentiras, to tell lies. And decir que, that is basically, digo que va a llover mañana. That means I say that it's going to rain tomorrow. So decir que, and decir la respuesta, to say the answer. So here we have some common irregular yo form verbs right here. And these are what I consider the go-go verbs because their yo form ends in a go. Hago, haces, hace, hacemos, haces, hacen. That's the verb hacer. Poner, basically the same thing. Pongo, pones, pone, ponemos, pones, ponen. All of these verbs are regular except the yo form. Salgo, sale, sale, salimos, salís, salen. Suponer, supongo, supone, supone, suponemos, suponéis, suponen. And then here's a good one. Traigo, from traer. So, the yo forms of these verbs are irregular. We have two more verbs that you need to remember. Here's the verb ver right here. Ver's yo form is irregular. It's bello. The rest of the conjugation is regular. Bello, veis, ve, vemos, veis, ven. Remember, ver means to see. Then, next slide, we're going to take a look at oír. Here's oír. And the problem with oír is not only is the yo form irregular, but the entire conjugation is irregular. Take a look. Oigo, oyes with the Y, oye. Oímos with an accent, oís with an accent, oyen. Oír means to hear. Oigo, oyes, oye, oímos, oís, oyen. Please make sure that you review oír. So the meaning of oír is to hear. There it is right there, to hear. That is the commonly translated meaning of oír. For example, oigo a unas personas en la otra sala. I hear some people in the other room. However, it also could mean to listen. Spanish uses it this way too. ¿Oyes la radio por la mañana? Do you listen to the radio in the morning? So don't forget that. Oír could mean to hear and to listen. So that wraps up the irregular yo forms of the present tense. Nos vemos en clase.